If you're looking for the ultimate way to unleash your creativity with coloring pages, Cool Coloring Pages AI might just be the solution you didn't know you needed. In this video, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released software so you can decide if it's right for you. First off, let's talk about the AI's ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to start creating stunning coloring pages. Cool Coloring Pages. AI makes it incredibly simple with its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional looking to offer custom designs, you can quickly generate your artwork with just a few clicks. One of the standout features of this tool is its ability to create personalized designs. You can input specific themes, elements, or styles that match your vision, and the AI will generate detailed, high-quality coloring pages tailored to those preferences. So whether you're into animals, nature, or abstract art, this AI can produce images that fit your needs perfectly. And if you're thinking about the design quality, let me reassure you, the output is fantastic. The AI uses advanced algorithms to ensure that every page is crisp, clear, and suitable for both children and adults. The intricate details you can get from this software make it perfect for those who enjoy more complex designs, as well as simple ones for younger audiences. But what really makes this tool shine is its customization options. You're not just limited to a set style or preset templates. Cool Coloring Pages. AI gives you control over every aspect of the design, from the line thickness to the level of detail. Want a bold, thick outline for a kid-friendly page? Or perhaps something more detailed for an advanced colorist? You can easily adjust this in the software. Another reason this software stands out is its speed. You can create a new coloring page in a matter of seconds, which is a huge time saver compared to traditional design methods. If you're working on a project with deadlines or just want a quick coloring page, this software is built to keep up with your pace. Now, I know you might be wondering about the cost. Here's the kicker. You can try Cool Coloring Pages AI completely free from the first link in the description below. It's always great to test out new software without having to commit upfront. And with Cool Coloring Pages AI, you get that option. So, if you're not sure whether it's right for you, this free trial is a perfect opportunity to see what the software is capable of. To wrap it up, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Cool Coloring Pages AI definitely makes it to my list of recommended software. Its combination of customization, ease of use, and speed makes it a strong choice for anyone who wants to explore digital coloring page creation. You can find my recommended AI software, along with free trials, in the description below. Make sure to check them out if you want to discover even more amazing tools that can take your creativity to the next level.